When we closed the hotel, we had a unique opportunity to put into place the latest technology, which is extremely environmentally friendly in terms of its power usage, its cost, it's efficient, and as a result helps the profitability of the business. And it's something that corporations look at now today if they're buying or they're looking at their partners' environmental responsibility, their sustainability strategy. And I think we've developed and have a very environmentally friendly building today. So during the renovation, the key areas we focused on, the key expense, if you like, was the chillers, the air conditioning, the water, the recycling within the systems as well to save energy and save costs. The air conditioning system has a very high coefficient of performance, resulting in anything between 25 to 30% saving in costs. And the whole system is monitored through the building management system. Another addition with the new hotel is the intelligent bedroom, which has the ability to understand when the guest is in the room or not in the room. And when the guest is not in the room, clearly the room will default to a lower energy usage setting, again, saving costs. We're also very focused on the recycling of energy because equipment does produce heat, for example. And in the case of the chillers, steam can be recycled and used in our laundry, which is, again, a saving of energy and environmentally friendly. What we have with our systems at the Mandarin Oriental Jakarta is the ability to measure in detail energy usage. Areas where we're not being energy efficient, maybe there's a problem, can be immediately identified and rectified. So we can get specific, accurate information by the second, literally. In addition to the technical side, there's clearly the people side, the staff, the colleagues at the hotel. We have a young workforce and they are very conscious of the environment, which is very helpful to us because there is a lot of training that has been done and continues to be done in terms of the equipment and the operation of the equipment and their environmental responsibility in areas such as recycling. It's been very easy to get the buy-in because they actually are interested and they are aware. Training and education of staff is very important, and at Mandarin Oriental, when staff begin their careers here, they receive education in terms of energy and the environment in the very first day that they're here. Best practice is very important, and it's not a new thing within the hotel business. Hotels have always been running best practice in terms of efficient energy using, switching the light off, switching the tap off. What we have today, of course, now is technology that really makes a difference. The hotel represented an opportunity for Mandarin Oriental Hotel Group globally with this new building to put in place best practices in terms of energy efficiency, recycling. And we will use and have already used this property as an example of best practice for properties that we're now developing in other parts of the world. As a hotel group, Mandarin Oriental is always keen to work with the authorities and governments in the countries in which we operate. And clearly there's a responsibility for a partnership between industry and government to drive forward initiatives in terms of environmental friendly practices. And this is something that we would encourage. We are open for people to come and visit and see what we have achieved here. And hopefully from that, some of the best practices we have here can be transferred to maybe other hotels or other companies in Indonesia. But certainly it must be a partnership. This is everyone's responsibility, not just the private sector. Everyone's responsible for the environment.